guys, welcome back to my channel. It's dinner time. I have chicken thigh here. I am removing that skin. Just going to cut here in the middle so I can remove the bone. If you don't like doing this process, you can buy boneless thighs, but of course it's gonna cost a little bit more, but I don't mind buying the one with the bone, guys, because sometimes I like to cook the chicken or thighs with the bone, so that's why I buy the one with the bones, and sometimes I boil it and use the broth or soup. Now I'm just going to make sure that the thick part is going to slice a little bit like this. Make sure it's not very thick because there's some part that are thicker. I don't mind the skin, guys. I just remove this one right here because it's too much skin, but I don't mind some of the skin. Then I'm going to season it. I wash this and pat it dry. So we'll season it with a little bit of chicken powder, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And we are only seasoning the one side. Then we'll pat it dry. We'll pat it down, press it down, so all the seasoning will stick to the meat. And since the chicken is still a little cold, guys, I am going to wait few minutes before we cook it. Kind of room temperature, and we'll set that aside. And over here I have 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of cornstarch, and we're also going to season this same seasoning that we used. And we'll just mix this. Make sure mix really well. When we are ready, we're going to put some of this flour mixture to our chicken, and we are going to pan fry it. When the chicken is ready, room temperature. Now we are ready to pan fry our chicken. I'm gonna put avocado oil. Okay guys, the chicken is done, and we are using the same pan because I want to use the flavor on this pan from our chicken, and I'm going to put butter, you can put less butter if you don't like lots of butter, but I don't mind butter, guys. I'm putting a little bit of ginger. Smells so good. Okay. Then I'm going to put pineapple juice. I'm not putting the whole can, maybe half. Little bit of soy sauce, little bit of chicken powder, little bit of pepper, and I'm not going to put salt because the soy sauce is already salty and we seasoned the chicken already. And I have 1/4 cup of honey. If you don't have honey, you can use dark brown sugar. And I'm going to cook this until it reduces, guys. The sauce is so good. And I think our sauce is ready. Time to cut our chicken. I will cut it about this size. You know what? I'm just going to use my hand because it's clean and it's my food. It's hot though. Oh, hot. And of course, I have my rice ready. Maybe I should wait a little bit. Maybe I'll cut it the other side because the skin is harder to cut because it's crispy. And we'll put it on top of our rice. My chicken shrink. It looked so big before. Next, I'm going to pour the sauce over it. That looks good. Now I'm going to put some sesame seeds. This is toasted sesame seeds. And last, green onions for color and flavor. The green onions smell so good. Green onions. And there you have it, guys. Our pineapple honey chicken. Can't wait to try it. Delicious. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's try. Do you hear the crunch of the skin? Restaurant, Chinese restaurant quality. That is good. Yummy. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye for now.